I'm going to show you the capability of Trinogy's DocuSign integration with iManage. The DocuSign integration is handled through a Trinogy product called WorkView. WorkView loads up when you click on a matter workspace in iManage, and on the right hand side we can see WorkView with a range of different modules, one of which is the DocuSign integration. I've created some contracts in my documents folder, and I'm going to take contract number 5 and I'm going to route it through DocuSign for signing. So the way I do that is I go to the DocuSign tab in WorkView and I create a new envelope. I'm going to use an existing document from iManage, but I could also use a DocuSign template if I needed to. Clicking on the existing document button takes me through to a document selector and shows me the folders in iManage underneath the matter. When I click on the documents folder, I get to see the documents in iManage, and I'm going to select document contract number 5. I can select multiple documents at this point if I want to. I can give the envelope a new name, I can add additional files, and I can also remove files from this dialog. The other options I have are to go ahead and create the envelope now, or just to create a draft envelope, and again to add additional documents. When I say create now, it's going to go off to DocuSign and it's going to initiate the process, allowing me to select a recipient for signing and sending it off to them. So now I'm directly in DocuSign. It is loading up a preview of the document for me, and once it's done that, I'm going to add the recipients and add a signature block and send it off. Go ahead and add a recipient. I have a pre-existing recipient that I can use, or you can add a new one. DocuSign allows you to specify the type of recipient, whether they need to sign or receive a copy or review it, etc. Click on Done, and I can now start adding in signature blocks for this particular recipient. I'm going to add a signature block directly on the first page, and I'm going to send it off. So DocuSign will send an email to this particular user, demo user, and when I jump to my Outlook, you can see that there's a new email from DocuSign with a link to review the document. So as I go through the document, I can review it and sign and finish the process. And then I'm done. I'll get another email back from DocuSign saying that the process has been completed and receiving a copy of the document. So I can download it from here if I need to. Now, the problem often comes in that people have a look at the document, there it is attached to the email, and never get it back inside iManage. But with the Trinogy WorkView integration between iManage and DocuSign, all of that information is held directly in this screen here. So if I go and refresh my screen, we can see that the synchronization hasn't run yet. It runs every 30 seconds. So contract 5 is still waiting to sign. But in a few seconds, we'll see that it is completed. And I can go ahead and view the document directly from within WorkView. And this is viewing the iManage document that is being created when WorkView went and imported the document from DocuSign. So here's the signature, and at the back of the PDF, we add the signing certificate as well. So if I jump back to my documents folder, you'll see that employment contract 5, the signed PDF, has been imported into the iManage workspace, and it has been related back to the original document that I sent. There are a few options here, so I could have brought it back in as a new version of the existing document if I wanted to. I could also have brought it back as a new document into a completely different folder. And those are all site configurable options. So I'm going to go ahead and open that PDF just to show you that it is the PDF which has been signed and returned by DocuSign.